In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit label names in Microsoft Planner. If you've ever looked at labels like pink or label 1 and wished they were more meaningful, this walkthrough will help you make quick, clear changes so your team understands exactly what each label represents. First, open Microsoft Planner and head to the board where your tasks live. Each task is shown as a card. To get started, open any task by clicking on its card. This opens the task details window, which is where you'll make the change. Inside the task details, look for the labels area. It sits just below the assign section where people are listed. You'll see a row of colored labels. These are the ones you can rename to match your workflow, like high priority, blocker, or waiting on review. Now move your mouse over the label you want to change. Hovering over a label highlights it and signals that it's ready to be edited. You can pick any of them, whether it currently says a color like pink or a default name like label 1. Click directly on the label's name or the color name. The text becomes editable and your cursor will appear inside the label's name box. This is your chance to replace the placeholder with something clear and useful. Short, specific names work best, especially when your board has lots of tasks. Consistent naming helps everyone scan a board quickly and understand status at a glance. Type your new name, then press enter to save it. If you prefer, you can also click anywhere outside the label name to commit the change. Once saved, that label's new name will instantly show up on this task and on any other task in the same plan where that color label is used. This change is plan specific, so it won't affect labels in other plans. If the label doesn't seem to edit when you hover and click, double check that you're looking in the task details window and that you have permission to modify the plan. Small interface differences can exist between the web app and the planner experience in Teams, but the rename action is the same. Hover, click, type, and save. That's all there is to it. Open a task by clicking its card, find the label section below assign, hover over the label you want to change, click the label name or color name, then type your new name and press enter or click away to save. With a few thoughtful label names, your planner boards become clearer, faster to read, and easier for everyone to use.